Let's see how many fidget toys I have in my playhouse. This giant puppet for number 1. This bear for number 2. This hippo is pearlescent, but it's also light color, so I'm going to count it as 3. This ice cream for 4. I know these two aren't pastels, but this is. So this for number 5. This for number 6. Time to move on to my drawers. This for number 7. This pea pod for number 8. This other pea pod for number 9. I think that this is pretty pastel. So this circle for number 10. This infinity cube for number 11. There's a really, really tiny little puppet for number 12. This wacky track fidget spinner for number 13. This jumbo puppet for number 14. This wacky track for number 15. This beautiful, beautiful, beautiful cactus for number 15. 16. If you can't tell, it's broke. This do-it-yourself dimple for 18. I think I'm going to count this because it's mostly pastels for number 19. Number 20. And this for 21.